Hello friends, artist resin Sudha here. Welcome back to my channel. So let's get creative once again. This piece is one of my old fails. I had tried attempting Larimar effects, which I failed terribly. As you can see, everything just turned white only. The colors could not give their effects. Also, this happened due to this uh, lesser thickness. So what I am going to do today is I'll just try to make a wedding in white. So this is a small poster, so I will just keep it very short. And this video is for Neha, who had asked me to create wedding related arts. And currently I don't have any orders, so I thought why not try making on the old stock. And I'll just, what I will do is I'll add my name here. I wish resin arts were there at my wedding. Okay, I'll remove the gloves. I can't work with these. So if resin arts were there at that time, I got married in 2005. If this art existed that time, I would have definitely made one wedding in white from resin. So yeah, it can be considered a wedding in white, or similar way we can make wedding souvenirs for all the guests invited in the wedding. So yeah, we also have a tradition to give some kind of souvenirs to guests while they attend the marriage, and when they leave they get gifts. Okay, so I will keep it very short. You can get your customized metallic or vinyl stickers, whatever you prefer, from sticker printing companies and all. So I'll just write my name, as I don't have that alphabet stickers also currently. So I'm keeping it very simple. So let's start. And see which one looks better. I'll just simply write the name and put it with the resin, and then we can either add the border or just leave it that way. So I'll just record this in fast forward. So let's just top coat it, and I would like to tell you that try to use a single color background, as this was an old piece which I used for creating this souvenir. But if you are using going to create a invite, try to use single color or choose those colors that are light toned, so the messages can be read very well. So this one is just a reference piece. And try to reach all the corners. After looking at it, I really wish resin art was there at that time, at my wedding time. As I remember, I had gone with my father to select the wedding card. If this was there in option, I would have definitely selected this only. So our top coat is done. Let's wait for 24 hours, and then I'll just add a thin golden border, and our wedding souvenir will be ready. Also, I have made one wedding invite, but the problem happened there that when I used a permanent marker on the second layer, and when I poured the top coat, the marker writing everything disappeared. So I'll be just writing here a message. This will be a wedding invite. So that's why I have not yet edited this video and not uploaded, but I might upload it before this souvenir video. So let's wait for 24 hours. So this is cured fully. Look at the cute. Actually, the message can be written as thank you for joining us and etc. But as I didn't have any stickers with me, so I just put my name and date and all. So you can add messages as you like. There is no hard and fast rule, because cards are always customized as per the invitees requirements. This pen is gone. I'll bring another pen. So here is my second marker. Just add a border. You can add flowers and all as per your wish. Either you can decorate it with glitter background, or you can go for chameleon pigments. Invites and souvenir backgrounds can be done in any format. So it's just for preference how you can make a souvenir or a wedding invite. I have kept the wedding invite piece also aside, as the message written from permanent marker just vanished after I poured the resin. So just making them a bit more dark. See, I'm not coloring it from the sides. I'm just coloring it from this. So souvenir can be made and gifted to all the guests in weddings. Also there are engagement platters, but I currently don't have that ring mold, so, and also that went out of stock when I ordered. So I'll made a clay ring mold, ring holder, and I'll add that to engagement platter. That also can be done same as the aarti thalis. So look at this cute piece. And now we'll meet in next video. Bye.